Have you ever felt that something unfair happened to you, and you wish there was a clear, legitimate way to fix it? When individuals or entities believe they have been wronged and seek a remedy for that harm, they are essentially looking for redress. It is a fundamental expectation that this path to resolution should be fair and transparent. Due process is fundamentally linked to seeking redress because it establishes the essential ground rules for fairness and legality in resolving grievances. This constitutional principle ensures that before any governmental entity can deprive an individual of life, liberty, or property, fair procedures must be followed, and the underlying reasons must be legitimate. It is the bedrock that allows individuals to challenge perceived injustices and seek appropriate remedies. The connection lies in the dual nature of due process, encompassing both procedural and substantive elements. Procedural due process dictates the methods and steps taken to ensure a fair hearing, like providing adequate notice of an accusation and an opportunity to present one's side. Substantive due process, on the other hand, examines whether the government's action itself is reasonable and lawful, protecting fundamental rights from arbitrary deprivation. Both aspects combine to provide a robust framework for individuals to challenge actions and pursue redress when they believe their rights have been violated or they have been unfairly treated. In practical terms, understanding due process empowers you to navigate systems when seeking redress. For example, if you believe a government agency has made an unfair decision affecting your property, due process dictates that you must be informed of the decision, given the chance to explain your position, and allowed to appeal to an impartial decision-maker. This framework provides the steps for how your grievance can be heard and potentially remedied, whether in administrative hearings or judicial proceedings, and ensures the process itself is not arbitrary or biased. It is important to remember that seeking redress through due process is not just about financial compensation. It can also involve injunctive relief, which means ordering an entity to stop a harmful action, or declarative relief, which clarifies legal rights. The core idea is to return an individual to their rightful position before the harm occurred, or to establish what that rightful position should be. This comprehensive approach underscores the principle that justice extends beyond mere punitive measures, focusing on holistic restoration and clarification of rights. Ultimately, due process is not merely a legalistic concept. It is the practical assurance that every person has a legitimate, structured pathway to challenge governmental actions and seek justice. It ensures that when you pursue redress, your concerns are not only heard but considered fairly and according to established legal principles, guaranteeing that the pursuit of a remedy is itself a just and equitable journey.